Question number 29. Cash received from Raja was posted to debit of couple's account as rupees 6,000 instead of 5,000. 6,000 has been written and the names also has been changed. So while solving, when the amounts are different, write the amounts. The correct entry will be I received cash from Raja. So cash account debit to Raja 5,000. Okay, right entry. Now wrong thing which I have done, I have debited it to couple's account. So let me just make a small couple's account. In couple's account I have debited it and by 6,000. So the entry which I have passed is couple account debit to cash 6,000. Okay, this is the wrong entry which I have passed. I will have to reverse it. I will have to say cash account debit to couple 6,000. Now reversing it and then rectifying it. This question is after preparation of trial balance and before preparation of final accounts, given as additional information. So a suspense account will be used. Okay. Cash, can I cancel? No. No. And couple and Raja are there. So first of all, I will write in the credit side to Raja 5,000, to couple 6,000, and what will be debited? Suspense account. Suspense account debited 6 plus 5, 11. In additional information you are given in the question to use a suspense account. Okay, now I also want to tell you, sometimes in questions you will be given the total suspense account and you need to find out how that amount has come after putting all the entries. It's very simple, just open a small T suspense account and keep on posting. You will have a balance of suspense account. Say it's here to Raja, post it here, suspense account debit to Raja 5,000, to couple say 6,000, and whatever is the balance here given after passing 3-4 entries, whatever is given in the question, your account will tally.